welcome back to my channel. How are you guys, all the YouTubes out there? Okay, today I will start the day with all the morning resets. Usually I call it a morning resets because I need to put away all the dishes, the one that I already washed last night, to do some clearing up, to clear up plastic bag, all sort of stuff. And then at the dining table, later on you will see I'll do some reset too. So for me, it's very important to start the day by doing so. So when my home is ready, I also feel ready to face the world of today. Welcome to my kitchen. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, we're going to scoop some rice today. For 2 persons, usually take 1.5 cups. Yeah, this one is the mix of Japanese brown rice and normal Thai rice. It's a good combination actually, and it's good for our tummy too. So far, we have no issue with that. Yeah, you need to rinse the rice. Usually I rinse it twice. It should be okay. No more cloudy water already. Once it's done, I put it into the rice cooker. Get it ready. Then let the rice cooker do its job. This one, all the ingredients for the chicken soups, the mixed veggie, the kampong chicken, free range chicken, painting, drawing, scribbling is one way of me, distracting myself from sometimes things bothering your thought, and then you want to get it away with it just for a while, so you will get some peace for the time to think about what's happened in the day, what's happening in the week, what's happening today in life. So it's really a good distraction for me. There is another way, a good way to cope in something. So yeah, how about you guys? How do you cope with something? For me, drawing is very important, apart from cooking, doing housework, and then spend time with myself, just staring at the blank space, some zikir, meditation, I would say. That's good. Guys, wash your quail eggs even though you're going to boil it. I have this habit of this because it just come out from the bird. Yeah, then sometimes you can feel the slimy side of the shell because it comes together with the So it's very important for me to make sure that whatever thing that I boil, that I cook, it is just clean to my standard. So after the water boil, put in the quail eggs. Usually for 2% we have like 15 pieces, so like 7 and 8 each. Usually I eat it more. Okay, this is the trick to make sure that when you peel off the shell, it's easier to peel because you put in some salt into the boiling water. In the meantime, here my hot pot that I used to cook my chicken soup. We prefer the kampong chicken, yeah, because it's tastier and the chicken got the taste of chicken. The town chicken don't have the taste. I don't know, it's just tasteless to me. You need to put in a lots of ingredients, seasonings and stuff. Here's our bad looking refrigerator, because I don't like to put a lot of things inside. It's usually just enough for 1 week or 1.5 weeks. We do eat a lot of fruits, and I have my own system in organizing my pantry, my house, my fridge and everything. If you guys interested in that, can you please write down in your comments, so I'll try to make some videos over this. Frying some tempeh to accompany the boiled quail egg. I'm going to put sambal later on. Yeah. So this is how you peel off the quail egg shell. As what I mentioned earlier on, it's very easy to peel off since you put some salt into the boiling water. So just run it under the running water, so it just comes off so easily. See, so smooth. Yeah, that's one of the trick that I taught myself. So this is the final product of our soup. Chicken soup is ready and very colorful, and the oil, by the way, is just the produce from the chicken itself. Yeah, that's how good it is, and it smells just so delicious. Okay, that's it, the video for this week. Hope to see you again next week, if I'm good enough to give you one, to have time. So I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.